This 2016 Newmar Canyon Star 3710 is a Class A RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, microwave, LP detector, TV antenna, auxiliary battery, oven, refrigerator, smoke detector, TV, water heater, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, rear bedroom. This 2016 Newmar Canyon Star 3710 is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.